Hose.
I started this little filet crochet project last night and I worked on it obsessively because this is going to be a present, a birthday present for my friend Rosie, and this is going to be a rose. And her birthday is in 2 days, so I have to finish it tomorrow because on the day of her birthday I can't work on it. I have a doctor's appointment. So I really need to lock in and continue working on this. This is the chart I'm using. I just found it on Pinterest and printed it out. I did change some things, like the size of the entire piece and the border. I did a few adjustments to that. I'm going to choose something to watch now and continue working on this.
Der griechische Arzt Galen eine Theorie, Menschentypen zu unterscheiden. Dabei machte sich die Frage: Wie viel haben wir dann selbst in der Hand?
Heute ist gesichert.
This is pretty much the only harvest I have from this year because everything is dried out. These 2 little cucumbers my mom grew, and these are the 4 little tomatoes that I grew myself. All of the zucchinis and spinach, all of these things are dried out. And I'm not continuing to water them because we need to save water now. And yeah, I still have some kale, some different varieties of kale and chard growing, and they're still looking good enough to water them, so it's not a complete waste of water. But it's very tragic. I've grown so many really beautiful looking seedlings this year and I was so proud of them, and now everything is going to be dried out or is already dead. So Yeah, it still hasn't rained since May, like substantial rain. We didn't have any substantial amount of rain over 2 months now. It's going to be 3 months as far as the weather reports say. So it's kind of dramatic, honestly. And I have never experienced something like this in this area, and I grew up here, so it's not looking good. But I'm going to make myself a little salad or something with these vegetables that I just picked, because today is the day of the eclipse and I'm going to go up a mountain, a very high mountain. I do live in the mountains. I live on 1,000 meters elevation, but we are going up even higher. I'm going to be picked up by some friends and we are trying to watch the eclipse. I don't think any one of us has these glasses that you need, so maybe we're just going blind, I don't know. And then we're going to stay up on this mountain and wait until it's dark so we can watch the meteor shower happening. As far as my understanding goes, it's just a lot of shooting stars and that's going to be so cool. So we're going to try to stay up and watch that and then go back home. So that is very exciting. It's like a tiny little micro adventure for myself because I don't leave my house that often and go on little adventures with friends. So I need to pack some snacks and I need to take Fan for a walk, and then it's going to be eclipse and meteor time. Hervorragend.
Ich glaube, sonst haben wir gar nicht so viel. Ja, das ist nicht immer so.
Was gibt's denn da toller? Ich habe eine krasse Kamera. Das ist ein ziemlich neues iPhone. Oh nein, Cookie, du siehst ganz gruselig aus.
Musikerinnen nutzen Angebote rund um eine Professionalisierung des öffentlichen Auftritts.
Bye.